Hi, this is Gina with Poppy Cotton, and I'm excited that you're joining us for the Flower Market Sew Along. This week is number 4, and we'll be learning how to do flower number 4. So the first part of flower number 4 we're going to do is this top part and this bottom part. They're the same, and we've just flipped them in opposite directions. So you'll want to take and prepare your squares so that you can do the stitch and flip method. So you'll take your square and you'll press corner to corner, creating a straight diagonal line, or you can trace with a pencil corner to corner. That becomes your sewing line. So once you have those, you will sew on your line corner to corner, corner to corner, and then corner to corner and corner to corner. Now you'll note that these two pieces are very directional, so I wanted to make sure that my flowers were going the same way on this top part of the flower. So that's why they are opposites there. So be careful when doing or using any directional prints. And then once you get that, you will trim, leaving 1/4 inch seam, and then you'll press to the outside so that you have your top part and your bottom part. The center section, you'll take your square and you'll sew your pieces each side, and then you'll attach both sides. So you'll end up with this center section, and then you'll sew the top and the bottom pieces together and press towards the outside to create the top part of your flower, which is right here. Then you'll want to do your leaves, and the leaves again is the stitch and flip method. So prepare your squares by pressing so that you have a nice straight diagonal line, or you can do your pencil line. So you'll prepare 2 leaves that are for your left and 2 leaves that are for your right. And you'll make sure that you sew corner to corner, corner to corner, and then opposite, corner to corner, and corner to corner, and repeat for the other 2. You'll trim those, leaving 1/4 inch seam allowance, and you'll press to the outside. So what you will end up with are these leaf pieces right here. So you'll have 2 leaves for the left and 2 leaves for the right. Make sure that you have your larger pieces, the 2-inch pieces, facing your stem. And you'll sew with right sides together and then press towards the stem, and then you'll sew the opposite side, and then you'll press towards the stem so that you end up with your leaf section right here with the 2 leaves, and you'll sew right sides together to the top part of your flower. And that's it for flower number 4. And your homework this week is to make 3 of these.